Hello guys, yes, welcome back. There is another technique. Sorry, I will try to do it again for this pin. What's called pin number A. Okay. After what I do the extrude cut here, I will click to what to flip side cut. I will yes flip side cut and I will choose a blind. Okay. So what after that it's become like this, okay? So I have uh, like a very advanced technique uh, because what you need is you need to flip side from here and from another side. I have a very simple technique. You can do it like this in just a moment, okay? What you need to do, just click to right plane because what I do the mid plane. I do the mid plane because what? Because when I choose the mid plane, if I choose any one of this plane, it will become in the half, okay, of the shape. So after I choose right plane, what I will do, I will choose here this, okay, and I will click what? Yes. So it's become like this. Like this. It's very fast, okay? So after that, you save it. Part 5. Okay. After that, what we need, I will do that in front of you, okay? So just a new part, okay? I will choose right plane with IPS. So here the right plane, IPS. I will choose the big circle first. Uh, it's uh, it's now it's 0.3125. Okay. And what's else? Else it is here extrude mid plane and 1.125. Okay, so that's 1.125. Okay, and here I will click right, and here I will draw something. I will do a small circle. Okay, and the diameter for this small circle is 0.250. Okay, so from here is 0. Yes, exactly. Okay, so what you need to do else is extrude cut. Okay, and blind, so he will give you the distance, which is 0.875. Okay, and it's a blind and flip. Yes, exactly, flip side to cut. Okay, so click right. Okay, you will find this. After that you will choose the right plane. Okay, and you will do what? You will do mirror, and you will choose this. Okay, and you finish it in just less than 60 seconds. Okay, so just save it. I will save it as part 6. Okay, so what else I will do, just to close it. Okay, here renew. Now pin C. For pin C, let's begin. I will choose that IPS. Okay, for IPS I will choose right plane here, and that's I will choose now circle. Okay, وهنا دائرة. So that's a circle. It's about 0.3125. 3125. Okay, so that's the feature here. I will extrude post that to, where is the mid plane? Come on. Oh, sorry. Yes, that's the middle plane here. Is now we will put 1.125. Okay. Yes, exactly like that. And I will sketch another circle. Okay, for here. Just I need to press. Sorry. That's I will put here control it. Okay. Now what I will do, I will draw a circle here. Okay. And I will give it the dimension. The dimension is 0.250. Okay. So after that, what I need to do, I need to do just extrude cut. Okay. Blind with what is the distance? The distance is 0.375. Okay, that's the distance here. Okay. Yes, I will say flip, and after that I will choose the right plane. Okay. After I choose the right plane, I will do mirror. Okay. After mirror, I will choose that. Yes, exactly. Now it's become like that. Okay, so that's what's called save as part 7, the pin C. Okay, so what I need else here, I will close it. Okay, I will put a part. Okay, so what I need here is what? Let me look at here. Yes. Okay. Okay, I think I get it. I get it. Yes. I will choose the right plane. Okay. And let me just wait. Yes, I will choose here IPS. Okay. Here is the right plane. Okay. So that's the drawing here. I will draw that. Okay, first with this dimension is 0.750. Okay, 0.750. Okay, I will put it like that, and I will do extrude boss with what from mid plane with 0.750. Okay, so I choose this side, control 8. Okay, I will draw another circle smaller. Okay, now this is the smart dimension. Okay, here is the smart dimension. What I need to do is 0.250 now. Exactly. Yes, it will look like that. And I will do extrude cut. Here blind with 0.1875. Okay. So I will choose a flip side to cut. And I will get this shape. I will choose here a right plane. Okay, I will choose mirror. So just I will click right, and here I will choose what side. Yes, I will choose the front side here, control 8. Okay, it's just I will sketch the circle here. Okay, what is the dimension of this cycle? It is 0.2324. It's a really weird number. Okay. Yes, exactly. Now we will do what? Extrude cut. Okay, we can say through all both. Yeah, exactly. Yes, it's look like that. Okay, and we save that. That's what's called Hink A. Okay, I will save it and I will rename all these files again. I will choose it now as part 8. Okay, so now I save it. Okay, and close. I will close that. So for another shape, okay, it is the same idea. I will choose IPS, sorry, in the beginning. Okay, I will choose here the right plane. I will sketch in this right plane. Okay, what I need to do else, I will put this circular. Okay, here. That's the smart dimension here. Okay, 0.7. Okay, so what I need to do else is I need to extrude post that. I will choose mid plane and I will choose one. Okay, here is, I will choose here a circle. Okay, and that's the circle. Okay, so what I need to do, I will put a smart dimension and that circle. Okay, so that's 0.3125. Okay, so after I do that, that's technique. Okay, I will choose extrude cut here. Okay, and I choose a blind and I will choose the distance like what he give me in this paper, 0.125. Sorry, here I didn't put a dot. Yes, exactly like that. Okay, so I will choose also flip side to cut. Okay, guys, and I will click right. And believe me, guys, everything come with practice. Okay, if you don't practice, that's a real problem. Okay, it's not like if you know SolidWorks and if you understand this technique, that's it. That's enough. That's not enough, brother. You need to practice more and more. Okay, so just spend in every day, sorry, half an hour to 1 hour. Okay, just in every day, and 100% you will get more than B in this course. Okay, so now let's go the mirror. Okay, let's first choose the plane. Okay, here the mirror. I will choose that. I will click right and I have this shape. So I will choose the front. I think yes, the front. Okay, let me normal to it. Here is the sketch. Here is the cycle. Okay, I will do the smart dimension. Okay, the smart dimension here, it's about 0.375. Okay, guys, so after that, what I need to do, I need to extrude cut that from both, all, yes, exactly like that. Okay, so what I need to do else, there is something, guys, is how to do, is called, I think if you go file here and interest, and if you go here, I think you will find it. Yes, cosmetic thread. Cosmetic thread, guys, is very important. What is the benefit of cosmetic thread? I think I can put it here, or if I can not put it, it's fine. Okay, for example, I will choose now from annotation. Okay, a cosmetic thread. Okay, so that's the cosmetic thread here. I will choose, for example, this here. Okay, I can, I think, choose the UNC, for example. I think just choose anyone, ANSI, for example thread. Okay, just we need to put for example 7.16. Yes, for just that's for example. Okay, now you click to write and you will not find anything. Why? You need to go the option here. Okay, and I think display. What? No, it is not display. Is a view. Let me think again. It's wait, guys. Yes, you go with what? With detailing, and you click right to shaded cosmetic threads. Okay, so now cosmetic thread will show. Okay, اللي هي مثل اللي تدخل فيها المسمار. اوكيشن in Arabic. Okay, اللي هو المكان او اللفة اللي يدور حولها المسمار. Okay, now we finish that. Save as part 9. Okay, so now the last part will be what? Okay, let's go to last part here. I will choose here also right will be fine. I think right will be fine. Okay, here what I will do, here it is circular. Oh, I forget to choose the IPS. It's very important step, guys. Don't forget that. Here I will choose what diameter? 0.6250. Okay. So after that, after I choose that 0.63 here, I will do what? I will do extrude boss. Okay. It doesn't matter if it is mid, because I don't think I need mid plane here. Okay. So I will extrude boss 0.4375. Okay, I will choose that. Okay, so here also I will click here and I will draw another circle. Okay, here I will do extrude boss I need here to do a calculation, a small calculation, which is let me calculate that, which is 4.1875 minus 0.4375. Yes, so the total here for extrude boss, let me first give it a dimension. Okay, so what is the dimension here? Is yes, is around 0.375. Okay, so you click right now, and after that you will click extrude cut. Okay, with 3.75. Okay, so that's the 3.75. You click right. And what else? Brothers, is what? As I need to do also another calculation. 5.0625 minus 4.1875. So I need also for this sketch here, I need to draw a circle. Okay, that's with diameter of what is the diameter here? 0.25. Okay, 0.250. Okay, so you click right, and what else? You need to extrude boss that to what? 0.875. Okay, at the end you will get this shape. Okay, And what else I need to do is I need to put, for example, here is the front. Yes, where is the front? I need to put just a small circular here. Okay, guys. Let me try it. That's the smart dimension with 0.266. Okay. So I need what here? I need extrude cut. Yes, exactly. Blind here up to next through the all path. Okay. So I do that, and what I need else? I need else if I interest and I put annotation and I will choose cosmetic thread, and I will choose cosmetic thread from here. Okay. So for example, yes, right, and I will here document detailing. Yes, show me, and you can choose anything you like. He give you information about cosmetic thread. Now guys, we finish all part. Okay, now let me stop, and inshallah in the next lesson we will learn how to make all this part together. Okay, thank you for listening. I am Abdullah Muraisel. Assalamu alaikum.